Fix unable to connect to session service in League of Legends. So League of Legends is a very storage consuming app. It consumes 28 GB just to install. So it may lag sometimes. So it definitely needs a strong Wi-Fi connection. So you can follow these steps along so that your problem may be solved. The first one being that uninstall the app and try reinstalling the app by tapping on install and tap on got it. And when the app is available, you will be able to install. For now, the app is not available on mobile, so I'm pre-registered. Whenever the app is available, it will be installed on my device. So after that, what you can do next is check your internet connection. So go to your navigation bar, shut down your Wi-Fi and tap in airplane mode. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds. It will refresh your device. Now turn the airplane mode off and again try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. And make sure that you have a reliable and strong Wi-Fi connection. After that, now try reopening the app and see if the problem is fixed. If not, then what you can do is go to the app setting and clear the app cache and clear the data. And after that, reopen the app and your problem should be fixed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.